Welcome to the class. Let's start. We'll start with warm up. Keep little distance between both the legs. Hands at the waistline. Eyes gently closed. Exhaling. Bring head down. Chin at the throat cavity. Inhaling, slowly take it back. Try to stretch throat muscles a little more up. Exhaling down. Inhaling, slowly take it back. Exhaling, come to center. Now we will rotate the head. Exhaling down. Inhaling right ear on the right shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Inhaling right. Slowly take it back. Exhaling left. Slowly come forward. Come to center. We will rotate anti-clockwise. Exhaling down. Inhaling left. Left ear on the left shoulder. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Inhaling left. Slowly take it back. Exhaling right. Slowly come forward. Come to center. Relax. Now keep both the hands along with the body. Legs together. Now shoulder ball movement. Only shoulder should get rotated. Forward rotation for 5-6 times. And then reverse. Now both the hands forward rotation. Make sure when hands goes up, shoulders coming closer to the ears and elbows straight. Now reverse. Now alternate hands up and down. Stretch at both the ends. Relax. Now keep both the hands forward. Exhaling, pull the elbows back. Now up and down. When hands comes down, lock them at the front. Now place both the palms on the shoulder. Join the elbows at the front. Exhaling, stretch them at the shoulder level. Now we will rotate. Join them at the top. Join both the elbows at the top in front of the forehead. Bring them straight down and leave it. Again join them at the top. Bring them down and leave it. Again join them at the top. Bring them down, leave it. Now join them at the bottom. Bring them up and leave it. Join them at the bottom. Bring them up and leave it. Now one more time, join them at the bottom, bring them up and leave it. Now shoulders from sideways, lift them up and down. Relax. Now keep right hand forward, palm looking down. Take the right leg little back and try to reach right hand with your right leg while exhaling. Similarly, left hand with left leg. Now right hand with left leg. Left hand with right leg. Relax. Now join both the legs. Hands along with the body. Inhale. While exhaling, bend towards your right. Inhaling, slowly come back. Normalize the breath. Again inhale. While exhaling, bend towards your left. Inhaling, slowly come back. Normalize the breath. Now bring the right leg towards left. Lock your left knee with your right knee. Now inhaling, take both the hands up from the front. Now inhaling, stretch them up and bend back. Exhaling, slowly bend forward. Those who has backache, don't bend forward. Rest of them bend forward and see if you can touch the fingers on the floor. If you are able to touch, try to bend a little more down and bring forehead towards the knees. Completely exhale, you will be able to bend a little more down. Inhaling, shoulders along with the ears. Slowly lift yourself up. Exhaling, bring the hands from sideways. Normalize the leg. Now bring the left leg towards right. Now lock your right knee with left knee. Both the feet on the floor. Now inhaling, take both the hands up at the shoulder level. Now inhale, stretch the hands up and bend back. Exhaling, slowly bend forward. Completely exhale, bend forward and see if you can touch the fingers on the floor beside the feet. If you are able to touch the fingers, bend a little more down and see if forehead is coming closer to the knees and place the entire palm on the floor. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Shoulders should come along with the ears. Now exhaling, bring the hands from sideways, normalize the legs. Keep little distance between both the legs. Now we will do abdomen rotation. Rotate abdomen area clockwise 4 or 5 times. And anti-clockwise 4 or 5 times. Relax. Now keep both the hands on the knees, palms on the knees. We will rotate the knees. Rotate the knees clockwise 3 times. Make a bigger circle. When they come forward, bend maximum. When they go back, straighten the knees. Anti-clockwise 3 times. Relax. Now keep both the legs together. Hands along with the body. Now inhaling, lift the heels up on your toes. Try to lift as much as possible and stay there. Normal breathing. Exhaling, slowly come back and lift your toes. Try to lift as much as possible. Again, lift on your toes. Lift your heels and stand on your toes. Slowly go back and try to lift toes. Again, lift on your toes. Exhaling, slowly come back. Now sit on the asana. We will do preparation for Padmasana. Keeping both the hands on the knees, both the legs together, toes in stretching position. Exhaling, bend forward and take the hands surpassing the toes, forehead coming closer to the knees. Relax. Now fold the right leg, place the ankle on the left knee, catch hold of the knee, right knee with right hand, ankle with left hand, do a cradle movement towards right, maximum towards right. Make sure other leg is straight and stretched. Now holding the toe with left hand, bring the heel close to you and straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Now holding the toe with the left hand, bring the toe close to the left ear while exhaling without bending the head. Exhaling, normalize the leg. Now with the left leg, fold the left leg, place the ankle on the right knee, catch hold of the knee with left hand, ankle with right hand, do a cradle movement towards left, maximum towards left. Other leg should be straight and stretched. Now holding the toe with right hand, bring the heel close to the body and exhaling, straighten the leg. While inhaling, bring it close. While exhaling, straighten the leg. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. One more time. Inhaling, bring it close. Exhaling, straighten the leg. Now exhaling, bring the toe close to the right ear without bending the head. Bring it as close as possible, but don't bend the head. Exhaling, normalize the leg. We'll sit in Padmasana. Fold the right leg. Place the heel left side of the navel. Fold the left leg. Place it on top of the right leg. Those who cannot sit in Padmasana, you can sit in Vajrasana or Sukhasana, Ardha Padmasana. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Neck and back straight. Eyes gently closed. Concentration at Ajna Chakra between two eyebrows. We will normalize the breath with deep and long breathing. Slowly start exhaling. Slowly but completely exhale. In the final stage, pull the navel deep inside. Then apply Mulban. Hold for some time. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently up to the throat. Holding the breath inside, again apply Mulban. Relax Mulban, normalize the breath. Repeat second and third rounds. First exhale. Completely exhale. In the final stage, pull the navel deep inside. Then apply Mulban. Relax the abdomen. Start inhaling slowly, gently up to the throat. Again apply Mulban. Relax Mulban, normalize the breath and repeat one more time. Once you complete, relax. We'll chant Om 3 times followed by Gayatri Mantra. Inhale, mouth into circular shape. While exhaling, chant Om. Mahamantra Gayatri Mantra. Om Bhurvasvaha Tassaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yonah Prachodayat. Gently open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Without taking support of your hands, try to get up. We will do Kati Chakrasana. Keep little distance between both the legs. Bring hands forward, palms looking each other. Now inhale. While exhaling, slowly turn towards your right. Right hand going back, left palm coming on to your right shoulder. Twist yourself. Make sure both the legs are looking forward. Don't twist the legs. Only your abdomen area getting twisted. Look back. Twist maximum towards your back. Your right leg, right hand should come maximum towards your left. Normal breathing in the final stage. Exhaling. Slowly come back to the normal stage. Inhale. While exhaling, turn towards your left. Right palm is coming onto your left shoulder. Left hand going back. Look towards your left hand. Normal breathing, stay there. Exhaling. Slowly come to center. We will do one more time. Inhale. While exhaling, turn towards your right. Twist maximum. Normal breathing in the final stage. Exhaling, slowly come to center. Inhale. While exhaling, turn towards your left. Exhaling, slowly come to center. Normalize the hands and the legs. We'll go for Surya Namaskar. Come to the front part of the asana. Heels together, toes apart. Hands along with the body. Eyes gently closed. Neck and back straight. Concentration at Ajna Chakra between two eyebrows. Come to Namaskar Mudra. Join both the palms. Root of the thumb at the chest cavity. Wrist to elbow straight and parallel to the floor. Elbows close to the body. We will invoke the sun god. Om Banave Namaha. Inhaling, take both the hands up at the shoulder level. Shoulders close to the ears. Now inhale, bend back at the cervical. Neck and head goes little back. Shoulders should go to the extent ears go. Concentration at Vishuddhi Chakra behind the throat and the spine. Exhaling, slowly bend forward. Those who has backache, don't bend forward. Slowly bend forward and see if fingers are touching the floor beside the feet. If you are able to touch the fingers, bend a little more down and try to place entire palm on the floor, forehead coming closer to the knees. In the final stage, forehead should touch the knees. Those who cannot touch the floor, with your hands, bend your knees a little, place both the palms firmly on the floor. Inhaling, take the right leg back maximum. Right knee close to the floor but not touching the floor. Lower back down, chest forward, head back, look up. Left leg should be 90 degrees between both the hands. Swadhisthana chakra will get activated. All abdomen organs will get toned up. Exhaling, take the left leg back. Join both the legs. Head inside chin at the throat cavity. Now go back and try to place heels on the floor without moving your feet. Just move your body back and try to place heels on the floor. Concentration at Sahasrara Chakra at the crown of the head. Sciatica related problems will reduce. Inhaling, bring the body parallel to the floor. Entire body is in inclined position. Knee straight, elbow straight. Total weight on your palms. First knees on the floor. Chest between two hands on the floor. Forehead on the floor. Palms close to the chest. Elbows looking up. Lower abdomen should not touch the floor. Lift your navel portion a little. Due to magnetic effect of the earth, heart function will improve. Concentration at Anahata Chakra behind the heart, on the spine. Inhaling, pushing body forward, straighten your elbows. Now bend back from your navel. Try to bend back maximum. Concentration at Mooladhara chakra, at the tip of the spine. Bring your lower back down and bend back. Even if you have a backache, this will help you reduce the back pain. Exhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Go back and try to place the heels on the floor again. Head inside, chin at the throat cavity. Concentration at Sahasrara chakra. Thyroid and parathyroid glands will get activated. Inhaling, bring the right leg forward between two hands in 90 degrees. Initially it will be slanting. When you bring your lower back down, chest forward, your right leg will come to 90 degrees. Adjust your right leg. Bend back. Chest forward, head back. Concentration at Swadhisthana chakra, behind the reproductive organs on the spine. Insulin production will be normal in this position. This will help normalize your diabetic issues. It will reduce. Exhaling, bring the left leg forward, join both the legs, straighten the knees, bend forward and try to place palms on the floor beside the feet, forehead coming closer to the knees. If you are not able to place the palm, try to touch the fingers on the floor. Completely exhale, you will be able to bend a little more down. Manipur chakra will get activated. Shoulders along with the ears. Inhaling, slowly lift yourself up and bend back from the cervical. Vishuddhi chakra will get activated. Exhaling, come to Namaskar Mudra. Hands down, relax on your backbone. Lie down on your back, keeping comfortable distance between both the legs. Hands along with the body. Relax, normalize your breath. Recollect all the chakras which got activated during Surya Namaskar. Join both the legs. We will do Tadasana. Join both the legs. Bring both the hands towards the head on the floor. Now inhaling, stretch yourself in opposite direction as if two people are pulling you in opposite. Stretch maximum. In the final stage, normal breathing, but don't reduce the stretch. In the normal breathing, every time when you inhale, try to stretch a little more up. Relax. Turning from right, come and sit in relaxed position. Keep both the hands behind the hips. Look up, close your eyes, normalize the breath. We will do Konasana. Join both the legs. Bring the hands close to the hips. keeping toes in stretching position, knees straight, taking support of your palms and the heels, inhaling without bending the knees, lift your central part of the body up slowly. You can suspend the head at the back, try to lift maximum and see if you can place the toes on the floor, entire feet on the floor. In the final stage, normal breathing. Even in the normal breathing, try to lift a little more up. Don't relax. Even if you have a back pain, this will help reduce the back pain. Exhaling, slowly come back as slow as possible. Relax in the same position for a few seconds. We will do Mahamudra. Fold left leg. Bring the heel close to the thigh joint. As close as possible. Right leg straight and stretched. Now keep both the hands on the right knee. First inhale. Take both the hands up. Shoulders along with the ears. Inhaling, stretch both the hands up. Exhaling, slowly bend forward. Make sure your shoulders are along with the ears. Slowly bend forward and catch hold of the toes. Now keep the elbows straight. Bend your head a little. Chin at the throat cavity. Apply Jalandhar Bandh. Hold the breath out. You are applying external Kumbhak and on Jalandhar Bandh. Try to stay there as long as you can apply external Kumbhak and Jalandhar Bandh. If you cannot hold anymore, first relax your Jalandhar Bandh, straighten the head, inhaling, slowly lift yourself up, exhaling, bring the hands from sideways, normalize the leg. Now fold the right leg, bring the heel close to the thighs, as close as possible. Now both the hands on the left knee. Inhaling, take both the hands up, shoulders close to the ears. Now exhaling, slowly bend forward, catch hold of the toes. Now completely exhale, holding the breath outside. Apply Jalandhar Bandh. Bend your head a little, chin at the throat cavity. Your elbows straight. Stay there as long as you can hold the breath outside and on Jalandhar Bandh. Gastric related issues will reduce. All abdomen related issues will go away. If you cannot hold anymore, relax your Jalandhar Bandh first and then inhaling, slowly lift yourself up. Exhaling, bring the hands from sideways. Normalize your leg and relax in Vajrasana by placing both the hands towards right. Fold both the legs from left. Toes together, heels apart. Sit in between. Knees together, palms on the knees. Elbows close to the body. Eyes gently closed. We will do Marjari Asana. Come on to the knees. Those who has knee pains can avoid this. Rest of them stand up on the knees. Bend forward and place palms on the floor equal to the shoulder width. Comfortable distance between your palms and the knees. Now, inhaling, bring the lower back down and head back. Look up. Exhaling, lift your lower back up, head inside. Inhaling, lower back down, head back, look up. Exhaling down, bring your lower back up. Do it little faster, at least for 5 more times. Inhaling, bring the head up, lower back down. Exhaling, head inside, lower back up. Do it 4 more times. Lower back will get strengthened. If you have a lower back pain, this will help reduce the back pain. You will get a lot of relaxation. Relax in the same position. Normalize the breath. Now inhaling, lift the right leg up, also the left hand. Straight hand coming forward. Lift your right leg straight. Exhaling, slowly normalize hand and the right leg. Now inhaling, lift the left leg and right hand straight. Lift the left leg maximum up. Exhaling, slowly normalize the leg and the hand. Now, inhaling, fold the right leg, bring the right leg closer to the head and bend back. Bend your head back. Bring the leg as close as possible. Exhaling, bring the head inside, also the leg. Your knee should come closer to the forehead. It should touch the forehead in the final stage. Inhaling back. Exhaling, bend forward. Do it at least 5 times. Slowly normalize your leg. Normalize your breath. Now with left leg, repeat the same at least for 5 times. Inhaling, bend back. Exhaling, bend forward. Make sure when you bend forward, knee should come closer to the forehead. Slowly relax. Relax in Sithilasana right side. Lie down on abdomen. Right ear on the floor. Right hand, right leg straight. Right hand along with the body. Left hand, left leg folded. Left heel gently touching the right knee. Left hand folded and place it in front of the eyes in the form of uppercase of L. Sithilasana right side will normalize high blood pressure. Slowly come on to the abdomen. We will do Makarasana. Both the legs together. Fold both the hands. Place the elbows on the floor. Both elbows together. And place both the palms under the chin as a stand. Now take the elbows little away from you towards the front. Now holding your chin on the palms, both the legs together, hit your right hip with your right heel. Count yourself at least 10 times with your right leg. Every time when you are bringing your leg towards the hips, bring it fast. When it is going back, take it slow. Thigh muscles will get relaxed. Relax the right leg. Do it with left leg now for 10 times. Now do it with both the legs. Both legs should come together as one leg. And try to hit both the hips, respective hips. This will help strengthen your lower back. Now slowly relax in Sithilasana left side. Vishrant. Left ear on the floor. Left hand, left leg straight. Right hand, right leg folded. Right heel gently touching the left knee. Right hand in front of the eyes in the form of mirror image of uppercase of L. Sithilasana left side will normalize low blood pressure. Now bring the right hand straight under the head, turning from right. Come on to the backbone. We will do Chakrasana today. Those who cannot do Chakrasana, they can do Setu Bandhasana. First I will show Setu Bandhasana. Fold both the legs. Bring both the heels close to the hips. Catch hold of the respective ankles. Now inhaling, lift the central part of the body up head and the neck on the floor, shoulders gently touching on the floor, rest of the body lifted up. Lift as much as possible. Stay there with normal breathing. So this is Setubandha. Those who can comfortably do Chakrasana, they can do Chakrasana. Now we will do Chakrasana. Fold both the legs. Bring heels close to the body, close to the thighs. Now take both the hands towards the head. Reverse the palms and place them close to the shoulders, respective shoulders. Fingers looking towards the body. We are going to lift by taking support of your palms. Now, inhaling, lift yourself up by taking support of palms and your feet. Lift yourself up. Lift as much as possible. Once you are able to lift maximum, then try to lift even your heels. Look between both the palms. Those who cannot, try to do Setubandhasana. Exhaling, slowly bring head down. Place the head on the floor first, and then your neck, then shoulders. Then slowly place your back on the floor. Normalize your legs and the hands. Hands along with the body. Relax in Shavasana. Comfortable distance between both the legs. Hands along with the body. Palms looking up. Entire body is in still position. Now start scanning the still body with your mental eye. From right leg toe to head, head to left leg toe. Turning from right, come on to sitting position. Sit in Padmasana or Sukhasana, whichever asana you are comfortable with. We will go for Ujjayi Pranayam. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Now fold the tongue up and place it at the upper palate. Try to stretch a tongue maximum. Then close your lips. Now inhale through both the nostrils. While inhaling, try to make a sound similar to snoring sound if you are able to. If you cannot, then try to inhale up to the grim. Then hold the breath inside, apply Mulban, hold for some time. While exhaling, exhale through your tongue. So from throat, through tongue, it is coming out, but make sure you close your lips. Make snoring sound while exhaling also. Completely exhale, hold the breath outside. Again apply Mulban for a few seconds. Relax Mulban, normalize the breath and then repeat. I will repeat one more time. Hold the tongue, place the tip of the tongue at the upper palate and then try to stretch maximum and close the lips. Now inhale through both the nostrils. Holding breath inside, apply Moolban. Relax Moolban. Now while exhaling, again make snoring sound. Completely exhale. Hold the breath outside. Apply Moolban again. Normalize the breath and then repeat 2 more times. Once you complete, relax. We'll go for meditation. Hands in Jnana Mudra. Eyes gently closed. We will chant Om 1:1 ratio in medium pace for 20 times. Om, 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 Om. Now chant internally. Slowly start focusing on the breathing, the tip of the nose. Just observe the breathing, whether you are able to inhale from left nostril, right nostril, or both the nostrils. Slowly shift your focus towards the thoughts. Just observe the thoughts as a spectator. Let them come and go. Don't stop them. Don't involve in them. Just observe. Remember your favorite God in the form of Jyoti. Shan. We will chant Om loudly once and then go for prayer. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pushtivardanam Urvarukamiva Bandhana Mrityo Mrukshiyamamrutat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Be there in this state for some time. Gently spear your eyelids with fingertips. Open your eyes. Open Padmasana. Straighten the legs. Stretch the toes forward and back. Right and left. Rotate them clockwise. Anti-clockwise. With this we can conclude today's session. Thank you very much for